43 injured, 14 dead and 31 discharged till now. This is the update that's coming in from the Ghatkopar crash site where a hoarding came crashing, injuring and killing several Mumbaikars after a dust storm hit the city yesterday evening. Of the total of 88 persons who have been affected due to this tragedy, some are critical. Even as right behind me at the crash site, rescue operations continue in full swing. This is the hydraulic lift that has been called specially in order to assist in the rescue operations. Now remember, since the entire tragedy has happened at a petrol pump, the authorities are unable to use gas cutters in order to rescue people who have been trapped under the billboard that came crashing down. This billboard, a whopping 120 by 120 square feet, at a time when the BMC allows only 40 by 40 square feet hoardings across Mumbai, has not just been illegal but has been there for quite some time. In fact, the BMC has said that it had already initiated an FIR with respect to this against the advertising agency which had put up the hoarding. The land, the BMC says, belongs to the collector office, whereas it was in charge of the Maharashtra Police Housing Complex, and that is where we are seeing that the blame game has already begun. Initially, BMC sources indicated that the land belonged to railways. The railways was quick to clarify that it had nothing to do with it and that the land did not belong to the railways. Not just that, the railways had no business giving any permission with respect to such a billboard. Thereafter, the BMC has issued a note clarifying that this entire land belongs to the collector. An FIR has already been registered and till now no arrests have been made in the case. Meanwhile, the BMC says that a previous FIR was also registered after the billboard owners and the advertisers had illegally poisoned big trees in order to put up a hoarding here. Till now, no arrests have been made in the case, but the NDRF operations here on ground continue with the help of hydraulic lifts. At least two companies of NDRF have been pressed into service. The NDRF has sent one team from Pune in order to assist with the rescue operations. The Mumbai Police, the Mumbai Fire Brigade, the BMC, all the teams are here on ground. While people have been moved to several hospitals, primarily to Rajawadi Hospital, we are seeing that even now there is fear that some people might have been trapped under the billboard that came down. Two pillars are yet to be lifted, and that is where these hydraulic lifts will play a crucial role. Both these hydraulic lifts will be used in order to lift those two pillars where it is suspected that some more victims are likely to be trapped. Whether they will be alive after almost 18 hours of the tragedy is something that remains to be seen, but officials and NDRF personnel are fighting against time in order to try and rescue people from the debris at a time when the dust storm which hit Mumbai disrupted the rail service, the road service, the water supply to the city. This is one of the worst tragedies to have hit the city, where 14 hapless people who were either filling up petrol or passing by this service road were trapped under this massive illegal billboard.
Right here at Rajawadi Hospital, a day after the hoarding collapsed at Ghatkopar, there are 14 who've reported death. Most of the dead bodies have been brought to Ghatkopar. Right here, one of the victims, that is Sachin Yadav, his family is here to collect his body. बताइए कि क्या हुआ था, वहाँ पे काम करते थे, क्या कुछ बातचीत हुई थी?
काम करते थे।
और कब बातचीत हुई थी, क्या हुआ था, आपको कुछ पता चला?
शाम को 4 बजे वहाँ से फ़ोन आया कि ऐसे ऐसे घटना हुआ है, तो हम लोग वहाँ पहुँचे तो लाशें निकल रही। तो शाम को सुबह 4 बजे मिली इसको बॉडी, तो एक्सपायर हो गए थे।
तो वो पहली शिफ्ट में थे, दूसरी शिफ्ट में थे, कब से काम कर रहे थे, क्या था कुछ?
दूसरे शिफ्ट में थे, पता नहीं है कब से काम कर रहे थे, दूसरे शिफ्ट में थे।
और जो होर्डिंग था, वहाँ पे होर्डिंग गिरा था, वो ऐसा बोल रहे कि इलीगल था, तो उसके बारे में कुछ पता था आप लोगों को?
नहीं जी, नहीं पता था।
और सरकार से कुछ बातचीत हुई या कोई मांग है सरकार से पर्टिकुलरली, क्योंकि इतना बड़ा हादसा हुआ है, इतने सारे लोग वहाँ पे फंसे हुए थे?
पापा आ रहे हैं, भी इसके पापा नहीं हैं, आ रहे हैं तो उससे वही बोलेंगे, तो जो बोलना होगा करेंगे।
और कहाँ से थे ये जो आपके अजीज हैं?
प्रतापगढ़ से, यूपी।
और कई सालों से यहाँ पे वो काम कर रहे थे?
जी, 2-3 साल हो गए।
So these are the family of victims. Most of the people, in fact, after late last night, those who've been rescued, most of them are reported dead. Until late in the evening yesterday, approximately more than 60 to 70 people were rescued. Most of them have been rescued with minor injuries. But in this very case, as the time is progressing and because the hoarding is huge, it's becoming difficult to get the hoarding out, and which is where the chances and probability of those who are being rescued coming out alive is grim. We have some more victims. In fact, considering it was pouring really bad last evening, there were several people who taken shelter there. Some had also gone to fill fuel. We have a family here. बताइए कि क्या आपकी फैमिली में से कौन थे, क्या हुआ था?
बड़े भाई थे। बड़े भाई मेरे थे।
क्या
मेरे
नाम
बड़े
था उनका?
मोहम्मद अकरम।
और क्या हुआ था, कब बातचीत हुई थी, कैसे पता
अरे
चला?
वो सुबह में गाड़ी निकाले, वो करीब 5 बजे, हाँ 5 बजे बात किए। उसके बाद बोले मैं गैस भराने जा रहा हूँ, गैस के लाइन लगाए। उसके बाद आंधी आ गया, फिर बारिश हुआ, उसी पे वो गिर गया। जब वो था, बाद में पता लगाया कि हम लोग फ़ोन पे है, तो फ़ोन बंद बता रहा था। तो हम लोग गए वहाँ, पुलिस वाले बोले राजावाड़ी जाओ, तो पुलिस राजावाड़ी आए, तो हम लोग यहाँ दिखाए, तो बोले हाँ
गाड़ी का
तो
बॉडी का
वो दिखाए, फोटो दिखाए, तो हम लोग देखे तो बोले हाँ यही।
तो आप क्या करते थे, आपके भाई?
रिक्शा चलाते थे।
और ये अचानक से ऐसे हो गया, आप लोग को काफी देर से पता चला?
हाँ 10-11 बजे रात को पता चला मेरे।
और अभी जो है प्रशासन से या कुछ बातचीत हुई है, कोई मांग है आप लोग की?
कुछ मांग नहीं है, अभी कुछ बात हुई नहीं।
अभी तो बॉडी अभी हम लोग देखेंगे, उसके बाद फिर
क्या पोस्टमार्टम हो चुका है आपके भाई का?
पोस्टमार्टम चालू है, अभी बोल रहे हैं तो अभी मिल जाएगा।
और जहाँ हम देख रहे हैं कि काफी जो दुर्घटना हुई वो काफी दुर्भाग्यजनक थी। अचानक से बारिश आ गई, वहाँ जो होर्डिंग थी वो इलीगल थी। तो आपको लगता है कि जो इलीगल होर्डिंग है उस पर भी जो है कुछ कार्रवाई होनी चाहिए?
हाँ, कार्रवाई होना चाहिए ना, क्या है उसको देखभाल करने के लिए उसको सपोर्ट रखना चाहिए। अभी इतना बड़ा टावर लगा दिया, ऐसे ही उसको सपोर्ट रहना चाहिए ना, तो बस यही हम लोग कहना चाहते हैं।
So, those were the family of one of the victims, an auto driver who'd gone there to fill fuel, but on his auto was where, in fact, the hoarding collapsed, and which is where he lost his life.